Hi everyone and welcome to our tech series for business owners. Today, we're going to explore how to use Google Calendar to manage your schedule effectively. Google Calendar is a powerful and free tool that can help you keep track of your events, set up recurring meetings, and coordinate with your clients seamlessly. By the end of this video, you'll know the basics of using Google Calendar and how it can help streamline your operations. In this video, we'll cover the basics of Google Calendar, how to create events, adding clients to meetings, and other useful features. Let's start with the basics. Google Calendar is accessible from any device with internet access. Open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. If you don't have a Google account, you'll need to create one. It's free and simple to do. Once you're logged in, you'll see a calendar view with different options on the top right corner for viewing your schedule by day, week, month, and year. You can also switch to schedule view to see a list of upcoming events. The sidebar on the left allows you to manage multiple calendars. By using the plus button here, you can subscribe to calendars and add employees, team, or family member calendars to your own, or create a new calendar for yourself. When you add other calendars, you can color code them for easy identification. Creating events in Google Calendar is straightforward. Either click the Create button in the top left corner, or go to the time and date you want to set the event and click and drag to fill the calendar with the length of time that your event will last. Start by adding a title to your event. Next, set the date and time, and add a location, which is helpful if the event is at a specific place. In the description box, you can include any additional details about the event, such as an agenda or specific instructions. You can also add attachments, such as documents or presentations, by clicking on the paperclip icon. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, click Save to add the event to your calendar. You can also add guests to your event in this section by entering the emails of those who should be attending. When you click Save, they will then be notified via email of the event so that they can add it to their own schedules. Recurring meetings are events that happen on a regular basis, such as weekly staff meetings or monthly parent-teacher conferences. To set up a recurring meeting, start by creating a new event. In the event window, click on the Does Not Repeat button to open a drop-down menu. Here, you can choose how often you want the event to repeat: daily, weekly, monthly, or annually. You can also choose Custom to set whenever you'd like the event to repeat. For example, you can set a meeting to occur every Monday and Thursday, or the first Friday of every month. After setting the reoccurrence, click Save to add the meeting to your calendar. Reoccurring meetings help ensure that important events are consistently scheduled and that everyone stays on track. Google Calendar makes it easy to invite others to your events. When creating or editing an event, you'll see a section labeled Guests on the right side of the event window. Enter the email addresses of the staff members you'd like to invite. You can add multiple guests by separating their email addresses with a comma. Once you've added the guests, they'll receive an email invitation with event details. They can RSVP to the event, and the responses will be updated in your calendar. You can also add a note to the invitation email to provide additional context or instructions. This feature ensures everyone is informed and coordinated for meetings and events. Additionally, you can manage guest permissions by allowing them to invite others, see the guest list, or even modify the event. To ensure you never miss an important event, Google Calendar offers notifications and reminders. When creating or editing an event, you can set up notifications to alert you before the event starts. You can choose to receive notifications via email or as a pop-up on your device. You can also set multiple notifications for a single event, such as one notification an hour before and another 10 minutes before the event. This helps you stay on top of your schedule and be prepared for your commitments. You can change notification settings by going to the Settings menu and clicking Settings, and then going to the Notification settings. This will change the notifications for all events, but you can also specify specific notifications in that specific event's information. Sharing your calendar with your team can improve coordination and transparency. To share your calendar, go to the Settings icon and click Settings. Under Settings for my calendar, click on your name. Scroll down to share with specific people or groups, and then click Add People and Groups to add the email addresses of the people you want to share your calendar with. You can also choose their level of access, such as see all event details, make changes to events, and make changes and manage sharing. Sharing your calendar ensures that everyone is aware of important dates and events, fostering better teamwork. You can also make your calendar public if you want to share it with a broader audience, such as parents or community members. Google Calendar is a versatile tool that can help you manage your schedule, set up recurring meetings, coordinate with your clients, and much more. By using Google Calendar, you can streamline your operations and ensure that everyone stays informed and organized. Give Google Calendar a try and see how it can benefit your business.